Look, I love the whole process. You know, like I get really excited when you have an idea and then, you know, that idea starts to formulate. I mean, I love being here, just feel so connected when I'm sitting on country. When I'm collecting, when I'm making stuff, that's what I really love. I love this whole process of the making. And sometimes it doesn't even matter what the final product is. It's the making of it that I get real enjoyment. So the excitement of new ideas, the excitement of seeing them formulate into something tangible, but that whole process of making it, it's so exhilarating, really. How it all started really was because I knew I needed to be near water. As a Gamilaraay woman, it's our responsibility to look after the waterways. In the end, what I really wanted to do was to work with native plants and try and learn traditional methods of making textiles. So using the kumbungi or burara is what Gamilaraay call it, burara. I started learning how to twine that and then making it into dilly bags. Like I've got this dilly bag here, which is made out of kumbungi. Was quite green when I first started it, but it actually, as it ages and it dries out, the colour changes and it's quite beautiful. It will also shrink a little bit, so if you think your stitches are too loose, it will tighten up as it shrinks. And I've got dinawan feathers or emu feathers to embellish it there. One of the things that in my practice I was also interested in was looking at the impact of colonialism on Gamilaraay country. I read a quote by a lady named Linda Tahue Smith, who's a Māori academic, and she said in this talk, when people won't listen to any story other than the colonial version of history, and they don't listen with their ears, we have to find alternate ways to tell that story. We have to make them listen with their eyes, with their nose, with their mouth, with their senses. Poetry, performance, ritual, ceremony, visual arts, they're really important mediums to make people feel the sense of a new story. So for me, you know, art is a way of you know, telling my story and trying to make people listen with something other than just their ears. So advice that I would give to any young person or even an older person who's wanting to get into the arts, because I was an older person when I started. Surround yourself with dream makers, not dream breakers. So who you listen to can have a big impact on where your career will go. The other thing I would say is be true to yourself. Tell the story that you want to tell. Don't try and fit into somebody else's box or do what somebody else thinks you should do. You'd be unique and you be true to yourself. Tell your story. It will have a powerful message if it's true to you.